Hi everyone! Welcome back to another video of Cari Venus. Today we'll continue our series of drawing prompt. And today's number, we got Mother Nature. I was so excited when I got this theme because I thought, oh my god, I can do so many things. And let's see how it turns out. As usual, I'm starting with my Unipin pens to do the lining art, and of course after doing the sketch. When I got this theme, I had to think, what can I do with it? Like, what kind of character I want to see, because I'm definitely not trying doing a scenario again. Like, I'm gonna try again, but not too soon. So I really wanted to do a character, and I had to think what kind of character I want to see, I want to draw. So I thought like maybe some kind of fairy, a nymph or a goddess, something from nature. I just got a few elements like water and flowers. I actually got the inspiration for her hair of cotton, which is really fluffy and has this white looking, but I didn't want to be like white, so I made it kind of gray with a little bit of gold. Maybe you can see on camera, but I put some gold on it to make it shine a little bit. And I thought it was too light, so I decided to put more shades on it. For her skin, I was thinking I can make her like white or black or anything else, because she's like a goddess from the nature, so maybe it was really cliche doing her skin green, but I thought it was really cool and really pretty on her, especially because her skirt, her flower skirt, was pink, so it was really beautiful to see, I think. I also thought the watercolor colors from my set could be really beautiful for her skin. I had two tones of green on her. I had light green and emerald green from the Faber-Castell palette that I used before too. And I thought it matched really well on her skin. And I used for the shadows some brown from the regular set of Faber-Castell pencils, colored pencils. I got the idea of the water, I don't know why actually, but I was thinking about like some kind of avatar thing which she could control elements. So I thought about the water because the water has this kind of magical thing that it's kind of fluid, so maybe she has healing powers and she was trying to heal something from her forest or garden or maybe a river, and I thought it turned out really beautifully on her. I was actually planning doing a whole illustration only using markers because I actually never did it on video, on camera, on Instagram, and I thought it would be cool for my drawings to be more visible, the colors to be more vibrant. But I just thought the watercolor could match well in this nature environment, this nature magic place. This time I actually tried to do some scenario too. I was thinking about doing a Art Nouveau kind of art, but it turns out really my style actually. It's something that I really want to improve of my illustrations. Everything I do, it turns really light, and I actually expect of my drawings to be like the colors really visible, not like something faded. So it's something that I really want to improve, which I'm getting with my markers. So that's why I was trying to do a whole picture with my markers. But I actually liked this work. I really like it. In the end, as usual too, I'm using the Posca pens to do these details and these sparkle details, some stars and some dots. I love doing dots actually. I would love to know what you guys are thinking about these videos and what you want to see in the next ones. So don't forget to comment below all your thoughts. And that's the final piece. I hope you guys enjoy it, such as I enjoyed. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow me on Instagram at Carivenus. So, see you in the next video.